Scientists have warned that there is still a high risk that Arctic sea ice may vanish during summertime this century, even if governments achieve a core target for limiting global warming set by almost 200 nations in 2015. Under the 2015 Paris Agreement, governments set a goal of limiting the rise in average world temperatures to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial times, with an aspiration of just 1.5 C. The 2 degrees Celsius target may be insufficient to prevent an ice-free Arctic, James Screen and Daniel Williamson of Exeter University in Britain wrote in the journal Nature Climate Change after a statistical review of ice projections. Arctic sea ice has been shrinking steadily in recent decades, damaging the livelihoods of indigenous peoples and wildlife such as polar bears, while opening the region to more shipping and oil and gas exploration. In less than 40 years, we have almost halved the summer sea ice cover, said Tore Levik, a professor at the Bjørknes Center for Climate Research at the University of Bergen in Norway, who was not involved in the study.